Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth, while others struggle to make ends meet? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of wealth creation. It's a topic that's often misunderstood, with many believing it's a secret society for the privileged few. But the reality is far from this misconception. Wealth creation is a journey, a process that's within reach for each one of us. The truth is, wealth creation isn't some mysterious process reserved for the select few. It's a journey anyone can embark on if they know the right steps. Before we dive in, it's crucial to understand what wealth truly means. Often when people think of wealth, they equate it to money. But wealth isn't just about the number of zeros in your bank account. It's about much more than that. Wealth is about time. It's about the freedom to spend your hours as you please, without being shackled to a job that drains your energy and passion. It's about being able to pursue your interests, spend time with loved ones, and engage in activities that enrich your life. Wealth is also about personal fulfillment. It's about achieving your goals, realizing your potential, and living a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. And yes, wealth involves financial stability, but it's not just about accumulating money. It's about using that money as a tool to create the life you want. Wealth, in its essence, is the freedom to live life on your own terms. The first step towards wealth creation starts in the mind. Imagine your brain as a fertile garden. In order to grow the lush, prosperous plants of wealth, you need to sow the right seeds of thought. The first seed is positivity. A positive mindset is not just about being happy or optimistic. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles, pivoting from setbacks, and persevering when things get tough. This brings us to the second seed, self-belief. It's the unwavering conviction in your abilities, your ideas, and your potential. It's about having faith in your own value and worth. Self-belief is the fuel that propels you forward on the path to wealth creation. Remember, if you don't believe in your ability to create wealth, who will? The third seed to plant in your mind garden is a clear vision. Having a clear vision is like having a roadmap to your destination. It gives you direction, keeps you focused, and helps you avoid detours. A clear vision in wealth creation means knowing what you want, why you want it, and how you plan to achieve it. Now let's talk about the water and sunlight that help these seeds grow. Discipline and consistency. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. It's about making sacrifices today for the rewards of tomorrow. Consistency, on the other hand, is about showing up day in and day out. It's about doing the small things again and again that inch you closer to your wealth creation goals. Whether it's investing, saving, or building a business, discipline and consistency are the silent warriors that fight the battle of wealth creation for you. They turn your daily actions into powerful habits, and these habits, over time, create wealth. Remember, the journey to wealth creation is not a sprint. It's a marathon. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth that lasts. With the right mindset, wealth creation becomes a natural progression rather than a constant battle. Knowledge is power, and in the realm of wealth creation, financial education is your superpower. Indeed, a strong financial education is a pivotal tool in your arsenal as you embark on this journey of wealth creation. Let's break down what financial education means. It's not just about understanding how to balance a checkbook or how to pay your bills on time, although those are certainly important skills. No, financial education is about much more than that. It's about understanding the value of money, how to budget it, how to save it, and most importantly, how to grow it. First, understanding the value of money is a fundamental building block of financial education. It's about recognizing that every dollar you spend is a dollar less in your pocket, a dollar less that you can use to build your wealth. Remember, wealth is not just about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Next, we have budgeting. Budgeting is your roadmap. It's about knowing where your money is going and making sure it's going where you want it to go. It's about planning for the future, setting financial goals, and taking steps to achieve them. But budgeting and saving are only part of the equation. To truly build wealth, you need to understand investing. Investing is about making your money work for you. Whether it's through stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business, investing is how you turn your saved money into more money. However, investing is not without risks. That's where financial education comes in again. A good financial education will help you understand those risks, weigh them against potential returns, and make informed decisions. Finally, financial education is about understanding the financial world around you. It's about keeping up with economic trends, understanding how financial markets work, and staying informed about changes that could impact your financial well-being. In conclusion, financial education is not just about money. It's about understanding, planning, and making informed decisions. It's about taking control of your financial future and steering your own course toward wealth. Financial education is your map to navigate the journey of wealth creation. The next step on the wealth creation journey is mastering the art of saving and investing. Now let's talk about saving. It's a fundamental step in wealth creation. Imagine saving as a safety net. It's that financial cushion that helps you bounce back when life throws a curveball. But saving is not just about setting money aside for emergencies. It's also about building a reservoir from which you can draw to invest in wealth-creating opportunities. You might be wondering, what's the big deal about saving a few bucks here and there? Well, it's because each dollar saved is a dollar that can be put to work, earning more dollars for you. It's like a tiny seed that, when planted and nurtured, grows into a sturdy tree. Now, let's shift gears and talk about investing. Investing is the process of allocating your money in the expectation of some benefit in the future. In other words, it's about making your money work for you. You see, when you invest, your money is like an employee that works tirelessly 24/7 to generate more money. It's the secret sauce that can exponentially increase your wealth over time. This is known as the power of compounding, where the returns you earn on your investments are reinvested, leading to exponentially higher growth over time. Investing can be in various forms: stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business. The key is to choose investment avenues that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's important to note that investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a sound understanding of the investment vehicle you've chosen. It's like a journey, not a sprint. To sum up, saving is about setting money aside and building a financial cushion. Investing, on the other hand, is about making that saved money work for you, generating more wealth over time. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you save and invest. One stream of income is a risky strategy. Diversification is key. Imagine you are walking on a tightrope. Steady and confident, you're making progress. But then, a gust of wind comes along, and suddenly, you're struggling to keep your balance. That's what it's like to rely on a single income stream. It's a risky balancing act. And when life's unpredictable winds blow, you risk losing everything. This is where the concept of diversification comes into play. Diversification is essentially spreading your eggs across multiple baskets. Instead of relying on one source of income, you rely on several. These could be from different sectors, different jobs, or different types of investments. Why is this so important? Well, it adds stability. If one income stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. You're no longer walking a precarious tightrope. You're on solid ground. But diversification does more than just provide a safety net. It's also a powerful wealth-building tool. Let's think about it. If you have one job that pays you $1,000 a month, you're limited to $12,000 a year. But imagine if you had 3 different income streams, each paying you $1,000 a month. Now you're looking at $36,000 a year. That's a 3-fold increase just by diversifying your income. This doesn't mean you have to work 3 full-time jobs. One of these income streams could be passive, like rental income from a property or dividends from stocks. Another could be a side hustle that you enjoy, like freelance writing or selling handmade products online. The point is, there are many ways to diversify your income. Remember, wealth is not just about making money. It's about preserving and growing it. And diversification is one of the most effective strategies for achieving this. It helps you weather life's storms and keep moving forward no matter what. Diversification of income is your safety net in the game of wealth creation. Imagine earning money while you sleep. Welcome to the world of passive income. What is this elusive concept that seems to be the golden ticket to financial freedom? Simply put, passive income is money that you earn without having to actively work for it on a regular basis. This doesn't mean there's no work involved at all. In fact, quite the contrary. It often requires an initial investment of time, effort, or capital. But once it's set up, it continues to generate income with minimal upkeep. Consider the example of writing a book. It could take months or even years to write, edit, and publish it. But once you've done that, every time someone buys your book, you earn a royalty. That's passive income. And the beauty is, you could be sleeping, vacationing, or working on your next book, and the money keeps coming in. Real estate investment is another classic example of passive income. You buy a property, rent it out, and voila, you've got a steady stream of income. Of course, there are responsibilities and costs involved in maintaining a property, but the general principle remains the same. You're not trading hours for dollars. Instead, your money is working for you. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires strategy, patience, and sometimes a bit of trial and error. But the potential benefits are enormous. It can provide a safety net, increase your financial security, and give you the freedom to pursue your passions without worrying about the next paycheck. And here's the kicker. The more sources of passive income you have, the faster you can accumulate wealth. It's not just about earning more money. It's about creating multiple income streams that work in tandem to build your wealth while you focus on what matters most to you. So let's get started. Explore. Experiment. And remember, every step you take towards creating a passive income stream is a step towards financial freedom. Passive income is the key to achieving financial freedom and wealth. Debt can be a major roadblock on your wealth creation journey. It's like carrying a heavy backpack uphill. It slows you down and makes your journey more strenuous. Now let's clarify something. Not all debt is bad. There's good debt and bad debt. Good debt is an investment that will grow in value or generate long-term income, like a student loan or a mortgage. On the other hand, bad debt is something that quickly loses value and does not generate income, like a car loan or credit card debt. The key to wealth creation is avoiding unnecessary bad debt. It's quite simple, really. If you can't afford it, don't buy it. Yes, that new smartphone looks quite tempting, but if it's going to plunge you into debt, it's best to hold off. But what if you're already in debt? Don't worry, there's a way out. The first step is to stop accumulating more debt. The next step is to make a list of all your debts. Write down how much you owe, the interest rate, and the minimum monthly payment. Now here's a strategy. Focus on the debt with the highest interest rate first, while making minimum payments on your other debts. This method, known as the avalanche method, helps you save on interest payments and clears your debt faster. It's also essential to have a budget. A budget allows you to see where your money is going and helps you plan for the future. It can also help you find areas where you can cut back and use that money to pay off your debt. Finally, consider seeking professional help if you're overwhelmed with debt. Credit counselors can provide advice and help you come up with a debt management plan. Remember, debt is not a life sentence. With discipline, planning, and the right mindset, you can reduce and eventually eliminate your debt. Being debt-free is like having a clear, open highway to your wealth destination. No more roadblocks, no more heavy backpacks, just you cruising along the road to wealth. Let's recap on the journey we've just embarked on. We started by asking ourselves the wealth creation question, understanding what wealth truly means. It's not just about having a lot of money, it's about financial freedom, the ability to live life on your own terms. We then delved into the wealth creation mindset. Remember, your mindset is the foundation of your wealth journey. It's about adopting a growth mindset, believing in your ability to learn, grow, and improve, and seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. We also emphasize the importance of financial education. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to make informed financial decisions, to understand the financial world, and to use this knowledge to grow your wealth. Next, we talked about saving and investing. It's not enough to just earn money. You need to save it and invest it wisely. This is where the magic of compound interest comes in, turning your savings into a powerful wealth creation tool. We also discussed the diversification of income. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different income streams, whether it's a side hustle, investing in stocks, or starting your own business. We also touched on the power of passive income and the importance of avoiding debt. Passive income allows you to earn money while you sleep, while avoiding debt helps you keep more of your hard-earned money. Remember, wealth creation is a journey, not a destination. Every step you take brings you closer to your financial freedom.